ICI's IR Flash Pro gives users access to options for annotating media. Annotations not only point out areas of interest, but also help with equipment assessment and management. After capturing media, click on Reports from the main menu. Choose an annotation by clicking a hued arrow. Use multiple hues to create a color-coded system. Click and drag on the image display window to draw an arrow. For touchscreens, press and hold, then drag. Click Yes to add annotation to the corresponding visible image, or click No to place the annotation on the thermal image only. A new section titled Annotations appears in the project information area. Use the input fields to rename the annotation and define critical information, including probable cause of issues and recommended fixes. Add comments to provide clarification. Annotations are included on generated reports. Delete an annotation by clicking the X in the upper right corner. Switch between research and touch modes by clicking the icon in the upper right corner of the image display window. In touch mode, access the annotation settings by right-clicking the image display window, or for touchscreen devices, touch and hold until the box appears, then release. Settings can be found at the top of the Reports tab. Clicking an arrow closes the window and allows the user to draw the annotation. Use other tools in IR Flash Pro to perform further analysis and generate reports. Thank you for viewing this instructional overview video for ICI's IR Flash Pro software. For more information, contact a customer support representative or visit us at www.infraredcameras.com.